Hello, good afternoon. This is the demo for Sprint 3 of the SearchWorks 3.3 Fall 2018 work cycle. I'm Sarah Seastone, and I'm serving as the product owner for this sprint. I'm joined by other members of the team, including Jesse Keck, who's the developer and technical lead, Alyssa Hafley as the Scrum Master, Jennifer Vine as designer, Camille Villa, Chris Beer, Drew Widget, Jack Reed, and Shelley Doljak as developers, and Cam Chan is our operations liaison. This work cycle, we plan to address high priority enhancements to the SearchWorks application, continue improving the performance of SearchWorks from the user's point of view, release a status and performance dashboard, and address some long-standing and high priority bug reports and feature requests from user feedback. Today, we'll be walking through some of the work completed in the past week. We'll talk a little bit about some indexing work and some work that was deployed into SearchWorks production. Just a few things, and then Camille will talk to us a little bit about the system status dashboard. So Jesse, I think you're going to kick us off on indexing.
Yeah, so I just wanted to make sure some of this work was represented in our demo today. We don't have anything to show here, but the outcome of this work we're hoping will be visible next week. One of the things that we've been focusing on in the desire to try to make particularly our search result responses more performant for end users is to take some of the things that we've known that have been a little bit slow about search results and try to speed them up. Last demo we showed you that we were now loading collection numbers in the background as opposed to at render time. And so that was one of those pieces that we had showed. So in addition to that, we've been taking metadata, MARC and MODS metadata that we've been parsing and rendering directly in search results, and we've been trying to move that work into the indexing pipeline. So we've had a lot of work going on both our MARC and MODS indexing pipelines, trying to take some of that data that's represented in search results and have it be able to be represented structurally in the index. Once that's done, we will then take that data and render that in our search results as opposed to parsing the raw MARC and MODS. And once we've done that, we should notice a pretty good speed increase on our search results display. So that work has been going on in the indexing pipeline, and once we've got that pushed up, and we'll do a full reindex hopefully this weekend, and we can start trying to implement the speed improvements in the search results once we've done that. Now I'll hand it over to Jack.
Great. So one thing to show that was changed last week was we've removed content that was in SearchWorks in the search results that was a managed curl. We previously shown a Google Books link result there in the search results, and so we've made an update here, so no longer are these items showing a Google Books link.
Excellent. That'll be a little cleaner for the user, I think. So Camille, do you want to take us through the status dashboard?
Sure thing. Alrighty. So continue to make improvements on the status dashboard and get feedback from our peers in the library. So one improvement this week has been responsive behavior on especially widescreen, so you can see a before animation of something kind of stretched out forever. And with our updates, we now have things staying in a readable width. You'll also see on the status dashboard this week that we've switched to using the existing Soul System Status Twitter account, which should be canonical Twitter account to check system status from now on, or for now, I guess. And then you'll also see that in SearchWorks, we now have links to the status dashboard under library services, and then users who are also interested in reporting slowness We'll also see this link in the feedback form that links out to the dashboard. And that's it for now.
Excellent. So, as we said, there's been a lot of work kind of behind the scenes this last week, and we're excited about laying that groundwork so that in the next week's demo, we'll have some more kind of user-facing things to see. If you have comments, questions, or feedback on the work completed this week, you can Slack or email any of the team members or leave a comment in the YouTube channel. We look forward to your feedback on the work that's been completed.